This presentation is the first of two on emergency lighting. Here I will focus on emergency lighting systems and the fittings or luminaires used. The Irish standard for emergency lighting is IS 3217. It matches the European Union standards. Emergency lighting operates when the electrical supply to the normal lighting fails. It is powered from a source independent of the normal lighting supply. Emergency lighting is not required in single domestic premises. Emergency lighting is divided into two types of system. These are standby lighting that allow normal activities to continue, or emergency escape lighting to allow safe exit from buildings. Standby lighting is designed to enable normal activities to continue substantially unchanged, so it's used in hospitals, factories, offices, etc. The fittings may be self-contained units or combined with the normal lighting. Emergency lighting, escape lighting, is divided into three types. These are escape route lighting, open area or anti-panic lighting, and high-risk task area. The first is escape route lighting. It is one of the most significant applications of emergency lighting. The level of lighting must be greater than 1 lux. The objective is to enable the safe exit of occupants by providing adequate levels of light and direction finding on escape routes. The second emergency escape lighting category is open area or anti-panic lighting. It is used in open areas or halls greater than 60 square meters. The objective is to reduce the likelihood of panic and to enable safe movement of occupants towards escape, and here the minimum level of illumination is 0.5 lux. The third emergency escape lighting is for high-risk task areas. This is part of the emergency escape lighting that provides illumination for the safety of people involved in potentially dangerous processes or situations, and to enable the proper shutdown of procedures for the safety of the operator and other occupants of the premises. The activity here defines this category, and it is similar to standby lighting but is limited to 3 hours. Maintained illuminance must be not less than 10% of the normal required illuminance and not less than 15 lux. Emergency lighting systems can be of three types. The first is self-contained luminaires. The second, emergency battery or static converter wired from a central location and operating lamps. And the third, a central generator, either AC or DC, wired from a central location. Self-contained units have a battery, a control card and lamps and some other bits and pieces. Central battery or generator systems are used to wire out to light fittings on special circuits separate from normal circuits. Luminaires on the operating system may be either maintained or non-maintained. Maintained lamps are on 24/7 or available to be switched on. This is called switched maintained. Non-maintained lamps are only on when the lighting supply fails. Combined units or sustained units include emergency and non-emergency lamps in the same unit. They may be switched, maintained or non-maintained. This unit looks like a normal fluorescent fitting with one tube, will be battery backed. Escape route signs are subject to statutory requirements to local and fire authorities. These fittings may be maintained or non-maintained, and most are self-contained. They may be either internally or externally illuminated. Emergency lighting must provide full illuminance within 5 seconds of the failure of the normal lighting supply. However, high-risk task area lighting must be operational within a half a second of the failure of the normal lighting supply, depending on the application. The minimum duration for emergency lighting are maintained and high risk 3 hours, non-maintained units 2 hours, and sustained lighting 1 hour. That's all. I hope you found this short explanation of emergency light systems useful.